Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
The if formula in Excel allows you to perform logical comparisons between a value and what you expect. In its basic form, it's used as equals if condition value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. For instance, to change cell color based on its value, use conditional formatting with a formula like equals if A1 greater than 100, green, red, where A1 is the cell reference. This powerful function can automate data analysis, highlighting trends and exceptions by setting conditions that reflect your specific criteria.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.